What's going on, guys? Rob from Bike and Quad here, and in this video it's going to be a little bit more different. I'm at Hayden's house currently, and we're going to be working on his bike today. We're going to be uncorking / rejetting it, which means taking the baffle out, taking the carb off and rejetting it, adjusting the fuel screw, and also today we also be working on his very first quad. Hayden, you want to tell us about this thing?
So I got that thing in second grade, and it's just cheap ass.
$500 quad.
But it ran for a good 5-6 years.
Clean the carb and stuff like that. So Hayden, what jets are we going to be putting into your bike?
We're going to be changing out the stock 105 main jets to a 120, and we're changing the 42 stock Pilot to a 45.
Let me know if you guys remember this bike, if you've been a part of this channel long enough. It's my old XR that Hayden's dad bought for Hayden's little brother. The bike's pretty beat now. It's been taken through serious mud, been looped out on hill climbs by. Alright guys, so now we're gonna start the teardown. So enter fast motion mode now. Alright guys, so right now we're just taking the fuel line off for the carburetor, so I'll bring the camera around to show what we're doing. Gas tank's off. 230 is looking like a snack.
Okay, so now we're just gonna remove this little thing, and this is the air box plug, and this just restricts the airflow, and it basically keeps mud and dirt out of there. Okay, so now we're gonna take the exhaust baffle out, and for this, the easiest way to do it is to remove the actual cover with a 8mm wrench.
So once you get all 3 screws out,
you're going to want to pull that out, and you're going to want to number 25 Torx head. Okay, so that's your number 25.
Show it to the camera. Focus on that. So that's what it looks like.
I've already loosened it, so I'm just going to loosen it by hand. I've also stripped it, so. You do this, when you go to do this, your interior baffle, which is this piece, is going to be tight in there, and you're going to want to take some pliers or something, grab only this interior part, pull it out of there.
There's your baffle.
Your baffle.
This will, Hayden, how much do you say this will lighten up your bike?
This is probably a 10 decibel increase.
I'd say 6 to 10 decibel increase.
Yep.
And take that, and you're gonna put it back in.
Make sure
so
you have this.
Basically, you're just gonna tighten everything back up and throw it back in.
Yep. Okay, so we're gonna go over the parts real quick, because a 45 Pilot jet, which is this, you're going to want a 120 main, and both these together cost about $15–20. Okay, so now you're just gonna want to drain the float bowl so that when you start putting jets and stuff in there, fuel's not draining out of it. And I'm just gonna go straight from here. And your line usually runs back behind here, and this is going to be your line. It runs into the shock tower. Okay, so now we are going to tilt the carb. Now this is the second shot of this because Rob's dad decided that he wanted to try and get out of the driveway the easy way. And there's about a foot of snow that just fell.
With a 1-ton truck, it doesn't do that well, especially on the angle.
Especially if it's a gas. You see that this one, that one's a diesel. That's what you need.
Oh, and
have that.
You know what? Screw all the new sleds, guys. You see what Hayden's got right here? This thing's freaking mint. 1986. What is it? A Polaris Sprint 340? Oh, this thing's so nice. Looking like a snack. It's in actually pretty good condition. It starts up first pull. Hit Hayden up if you want to make an offer. I think he was selling for 50 bucks, right? All right, so what you want to do for just safety measures. So
the best way to keep dirt out of an engine when you're working on it, especially if you take the pipe off or anything, take a paper towel or a rag. Make sure there's nothing on it.
Make sure it's clean, yeah.
Make sure it's clean, and just shove it in there.
Giggity, 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 goo.